dream. Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop houses driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just won't eat. And we'll hang out in the coolest bars and the VIP with the movie stars. Every good gold digger's gonna wind up there. Every playboy bunny with the bleached blonde hair. And well, hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. I wanna be great like Elvis without the tassels. Hire 8 bodyguards that love to beat up assholes. Sign a couple autographs so I can eat my meals for free. I have the quesadilla. I'm gonna dress my ass with the latest
I know some of y'all probably been like, damn, man, he didn't dump that thing out. He didn't gouge it out. He just grinded down stakes in there and welded it up. The truth is, that thing has a 1-inch bevel on the top side. The dirt ground so hard right now, it's basically like a big sandpaper to that blade. So what it does is take that 1.5-inch blade, turn it into 1 inch, turn it into 3/4, turn it into 1/2 inch. Just eats it away constantly over time. Well, it's not that it's cracked, broke, it needs to be fixed. It's just the dirt itself has grinded all the weld out, grinded all the meat off. The top side is good. It isn't cracked through, it's still whole. There's 100 passes on the top side. So there's no need to bevel it out all the way through. No need of having to sit here and weld all day for something that, oh, I'm going to put meat back in just to make this blade last a little bit longer. That top side was holding that blade together for the most part. Yeah, the bottom side's holding it, but as long as it's not cracked all the way through, bottom to top, and the hole is good, y'all have a go.